1. Hook. You might think tutorials prepare you for the real world, but they often miss what really counts. 2. The real problem when you dive into cloud engineering. Tutorials paint a rosy picture, things like scaling, uptime, and cost management. In production, you deal with live users and real stakes. One mistake could mean lost money or frustrated customers. Understanding this difference is key to your success. 3. The simple explanation. Real-world experience teaches you that concepts are just the beginning. Here's what you need to focus on: scalability. How will your system handle 10x traffic? Resilience. What happens when a server goes down? Cost management. Are you maximizing your budget? These elements dictate whether your project thrives or fails. 4. Real-world example. Let's say you're working at a startup called Quick Shop. It's an online store, and you're in charge of deploying a new feature, one that lets users personalize their shopping experience. You use a popular tutorial to set it up. It works fine in development. But once you launch, traffic spikes. You go from 100 users to 10,000 overnight. Your server crashes. The feature is down for hours. Sales hit the floor. You lose $10,000 in revenue that day alone. Why did this happen? You didn't plan for scalability. The tutorial didn't explain how to handle sudden growth. QuickShop learned the hard way, and you can too. 5. What to do instead. Here's a framework to prepare for real-world challenges. Step 1. Assess your traffic patterns. Use analytics tools to understand peak times. If you expect 1,000 users, plan for 5,000. Step 2. Choose scalable architecture. Opt for cloud services where you can scale up or down. Consider serverless options for unpredictable loads. Step 3. Implement monitoring tools. Use tools like Datadog or Prometheus. CPU usage over 75%, response times over 200 milliseconds. Step 4. Conduct load testing. Simulate traffic spikes before launching. Use tools like Apache JMeter or Gatling. Step 5. Create a rollback plan. Always have a backup ready. If something goes wrong, know how to revert to the last stable version. 6. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Ignoring cost management. Many engineers overlook costs until it's too late. Fix. Set a budget for cloud resources. Use tools like AWS budgets to track spending. Mistake 2. Lack of documentation. Not documenting your decisions can lead to confusion later. Fix. Write clear documentation for every deployment. Explain why you chose certain technologies. Mistake 3. Underestimating uptime requirements. New engineers often don't understand the importance of uptime. Fix. Set a service level agreement. Aim for at least 99.9% uptime. Mistake 4. Skipping security measures in a rush. Engineers often overlook security protocols. Fix. Always implement security best practices. Use tools like AWS IAM for access control. Mistake 5. Neglecting team collaboration. Working in isolation can lead to misalignment with team goals. Fix. Use collaboration tools like Slack or Trello to keep everyone on the same page. 7. Quick checklist. Before you launch, run through this quick checklist. Analyze expected traffic and set thresholds. Choose a scalable architecture. Implement monitoring and alert tools. Conduct load testing. Prepare a rollback plan. Set a budget for costs. Document your decisions. Establish uptime requirements. Implement security best practices. Collaborate with your team. 8. Summary plus CTA. Production environments reveal lessons that tutorials can teach. Understand scalability, resilience, and cost management. Use this step-by-step framework to prepare for real-world challenges. Avoid the common mistakes that can derail your success. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below. Let me know what you've learned from production. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights that will elevate your engineering career. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear. Quick recap: keep it simple, avoid over-engineering, and build the smallest thing that works. If you want a real demo or checklist, comment demo. Subscribe for practical AWS, DevOps, Docker, and Kubernetes lessons.